A beautiful day begins. The dump truck is working hard at the construction site.
Dump truck.
What's next?
Today's job is to carry materials.
Come here.
The crane fills its truck bed with bricks.
Amazing. What is this? Come here.
But the dump truck wants to carry more.
Okay.
So its friends load wood and other materials too. Now the truck is completely full.
Let's go. What is this?
Oh no, there is a dirt hole on the road. The dump truck doesn't notice it. Its wheels go over the hole and the truck shakes. So dangerous.
Look at this.
There is a wooden bridge ahead. Uh-oh, the overloaded truck is too heavy. It breaks the bridge. All the cargo falls everywhere.
Crane truck.
Oh my God. What
The
happened?
crane sees this and quickly comes to help.
Nice.
It lifts the dump truck onto a tow truck and sends it to the repair shop. Let's fix it.
It's a disappear.
First, put on shiny new wheels.
What is this? I got it. Yeah. Wow. Cool. It's amazing.
Then repair the front parts.
I like it. What's next?
Fix the broken mirrors.
Bravo! It's so nice.
Finally, install the side panels.
Transformation!
All done. The dump truck looks like new again.
Okay, are you ready?
It goes back to the construction site and learns its lesson.
Nice!
This time, it only carries the right amount of materials. The hole on the road is still there.
It's a disappear. Come here.
So the dump truck calls the excavator to fill it.
I like it.
Now the road is safe again.
Excavator.
Yeah! What's next?
The crane also repairs the wooden bridge.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Huh? To be sure, the dump truck asks, "Is the bridge safe now?"
No!
The crane replies, "As long as you don't overload, it's safe to cross."
Okay. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.